Hello, thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD. Today we're going to take a look at making sure a CLIA number appears on your 1500 when you're sending claims. There are two places you have to make sure that are set up correctly in order for this to happen. The first is in the provider setup, so you go to List and Provider List, choose your provider, and then go to IDs. At this point in time, you need to make sure that the CLIA number is resident here. If it is not, please add it and then save and close the screen to the left. The second place you want to go is to the service code list. The service code list will show you the codes that you have listed. If it's not there, you'll want to add it. So you want to double click on your code, bring it up here, and then you want to change the type from fee for service to either inside or outside lab. It really doesn't matter which one you use, it works the same way. Save your changes to the left, and then in order to change this in the system, if you have a charge already in the system that you have gotten a rejection on and you need to come back in and make a change to it to make that show up. I have a patient here who has a lab code. All you have to do is come in, retype that lab code, and save the transaction again. And then when you go into the claims area itself, find that claim, which was claim 33. And then it's already in here because I've done this. I had it in there already. But if it was not resident on this form in box 23, you would want to update your claim. It would bring that information into the claim for you. You'll be able to close the screen and send that claim again. That's all there is to adding a CLIA number to a claim. If you have questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support and option 3 is training.